you see, in
Lalu Prasad Yadav as well.
no. You see, Mamata Banerjee has made it very clear that she is not interested at all in any big chair of Delhi, but he is interested to build up a alternative platform who can defeat Bhajpa. So Mamata Banerjee initiated to create a new platform, India. And now you see, in India, within India Alliance, you see that in West Bengal, we under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, we have defeated Bhajpa. In Jharkhand, under the leadership of Hemant Soren, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has defeated Bhajpa. But in those states where the main responsibility to defeat Bhajpa is upon Congress, like Haryana, like Maharashtra, the Congress has failed. They have failed miserably. That's why BJP has become successful to form the government. So the senior leaders of the country and India Alliance, they are suggesting the name of Mamata Banerjee as the responsible face of, acceptable face of India. But Mamata Banerjee, she didn't ask for any chair or something. So what is the problem with Congress? Congress, we don't interested in blame game. But Congress should make a self-analysis that why they have failed in Haryana, why they failed to defeat Bhajpa in Lok Sabha election, why they have failed in Maharashtra. They must analyze the situation and take a lesson from history. That is, in coalition politics, not an arithmetic formula, but there will be a significance of a particular face. There is not a single largest party. That will be a face. You see, after the 13 days government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, that time Congress was the single largest party. But Congress had to support Jyoti Basu as Prime Ministerial candidate. CPM had not the number, but the face, not the number. In the coalition politics, not the number, the face is important. This is the lesson of history. That time Congress supported Jyoti Basu, but CPM was not interested. Then Congress supported Deve Gowda government, Third Front government, United Front government. Then Congress supported I.K. Gujral. So, in 96, when Congress that time, they proposed the name of the then Chief Minister of West Bengal as the alternate face. So where is the problem? They have to change their mentality.
But now Kejriwal has said that in Delhi they will...
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now